Hi, I'm Dr. Liang. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of the PostgreSQL on Windows 10. Okay, let's start to search on Google Chrome. Just search PostgreSQL download. That's the download page. You click on the Windows, then click on download the installer. Okay, in here, this column presents the versions of the PostgreSQL. You can see on the header is list. If you are using Linux, you download in this column. Now, if you are using MacBook, please click download this package. If you are using Windows, then click download this package. That's the latest version 13.3. So you click, then you can see here it's downloading. After complete download, you see the little arrows. Click here, then click show in folder. This is the download package. For installation, you need to double click the package and then click yes to continue. We need to minimize this one. Okay, here to click next to continue, then click next to continue. In here, yeah, we need to uncheck the stack builder, then click next, then click next. For password, make sure the password you entered, you should remember it. For future, this password is for future login. Make sure you use the simple password to easy remember. For the port, we use the default number 5432, then click next. Then click next, and then click next, then click next for installation. Okay, now click on the finish to complete the installation. I'm going to show you how to connect to the PostgreSQL database server using the client command line called PSQL. Okay. Firstly, we click the star, and then just go try to find out the PostgreSQL. Okay, PostgreSQL 13, and then click the little arrows. You can see here is called SQL Shell PSQL. So after you select it, you just drag it to the desktop. To start the PSQL, we just double click it, and then this is the command line. So firstly we need to log in to the PSQL. So the server by default is localhost. We don't need to enter anything. Then the database by default is Postgres, and the port by default is 5432. The username by default is Postgres. Then, so we just press enter. I don't need to enter anything. But now for the password, we need to enter the password. It's same as the password when you did the installation. So type your password and then press enter. Allow you to log into the PSQL. Make sure when you type the password, you have to press the enter. Then after you log in, the first command, we just use the select version and to check the version of the PostgreSQL. You can see the version of PostgreSQL is 13.3. Congratulations. Now you have successfully installed the PostgreSQL database server. Okay, thank you for your watching. The next session, I will show you how to loading the database to the PostgreSQL database server.